Oh. I don't know. Something happened. Oh, my rudder broke. Look at it. I don't have a rudder. All right, babe. It's rolling. We're rolling. Cameras are running. We're turning this way, babe. All right. Get on. It's dead center. Damn it! Your left side is locked. Unlock the left side. Let that all the way out. Let that left side all the way out. Okay? And then pull in your right side. No, I mean, look, it's latched. Unlatch it. Unfleet it. You remember, right? Okay. Never mind. Ready, babe? You're good, right here. Yeah, scoot back this in here. I wonder if this camera on the rudder should be pointing back, because that would just be a cool shot to use.
Oh, I
lost something, Captain. Oh, my rudder broke. Look at, I don't have a rudder. I don't know. Not here. I mean, Fade's probably got one. Damn it, my red rudder! No! I'm glad I got that. That's good. Damn it. I was like, I knew I lost something. But I'm gonna be able to head back. Man, that was awesome.
That was so good. We had more rudders. And in that hole.
I had a feeling that was gonna happen. No, I won't be able to I won't be able to fly this hole because then I won't have a rudder. I'll fly that hole though.
Another runner.
Yeah, and then I'll be
Why does this always
You know,
always happen?
those rudders are off the 14. These rudders.
Longer or shorter?
No, it's the same exact rudder, but they've probably been sitting in the sun for far longer. Which makes them like weak and
Yeah, we can find it. Let's go get it.
it's I don't know. I don't know if these float. I don't think they do. Well, I just don't think that they float. Alright, so we're gonna tack. Alright, so tack, the jib is gonna go backwards. So wait until the jib goes backwards. Might be a little harder to tack one rudder. Okay, we're gonna have to jump. It's gonna be a crazy job too, because it's windy. Yeah, we'll just have to. Go ahead and yeah, go ahead and go to the other side. Yeah. That? Oh, smooth. Butter, butter. Oh, butter. And butter. Man, that was awesome.
Good teamwork, babe.
Glad I got a rudder on this side.
Yeah, because that boat, that clearly lost the leg. The fourth one.
I'm just like struggling. Dude, what was that?
I was trying to hold the touch of the fell in the water and I was trying to grab it.
No idea.
That's pretty fun. But it's okay. I want to just keep it up. It does hurt when I walk. It's not good for them.
Yeah.
But it's not good to worry about.
Little party cove is right around there. That's where I wanted to go, just roll through
Look
there.
at the rudders that's there. You don't need that.
Yeah, you just,
Back with it.
yeah, just let it go. And,
The first time I oh no! And it gets right out there!
shit.
We have no rudders right now.
Yeah, I know.
Fuck.
Okay.
We can't run
Fuck.
here. Dude, is that the same spot
Okay,
as the
let
other
that
one?
jib out, just a hair, and we're gonna roll back in. We'll be okay.
Just sit here like that?
Yeah, just that. That's good.
Your taste.
Well, it's like beer water. Yeah, it's got a cooler, and it's red to match my broken rudders.
3 hours later.
Hey,
Yes, see? You just can't stop moving.
all right.
You're welcome.
Hey, do you think you can tow us in?
We're right there.
Our rudders broke. Both rudders broke. Yeah,
We can't go nowhere.
we're just right
We're
there.
right across the way.
I do.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, we're right ahead. We're right in front of that boat that's right there in front of us.
Directly in
Where
front,
all the
yeah.
canopies are set up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, they're right next to that on the right.
To the right of it.
Yeah. With the motorhome, yeah, there is a motorhome.
Yeah.
We have the yellow and blue canopies out front.
Oh, this works. Alright. So this is how you get back with broken rudders. No titties necessary.
Well, they are moving. Maybe a little longer.